Hi, today we are going to make the meat fresh and tender. Crispy and juicy chicken wings with garlic butter. Cream scent wrapped in secret and butter. It's hard not to eat chicken wings like this. First, the wings suck up the surface moisture. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, black pepper, chopped ginger slices and mix well. Marinate for 20分钟 use. Then prepare the minced garlic. Crush and chop. How convenient and how to come. In fact, marinated and wrapped in a thin layer of cornstarch. No cornstarch can be replaced with flour. Heat pan to medium-low heat. Fried for a total of 12分钟 use throughout the process. The last minute turned into a fire. Until golden on both sides. Spare. Wash the pot again. Melt 2 or 3 pieces of butter. Butter has a low smoke point. Remember to use a small fire. Then we add the minced garlic and fry to taste. Butter and garlic are actually a fairy tale match. Add a spoonful of light soy sauce and a spoonful of honey and mix well. Return the chicken wings to the pot and wrap them in sauce and you're done. Chicken wings are usually best eaten hot. But this method naturally tastes better after cooling. Definitely try it. It will be at the end.